Hola queridos amigos y suscriptores de nuestro canal saycorrectly.org. Hoy vamos a hacer un breve análisis de vehículos, en este caso las motocicletas. A motorcycle is a vehicle. There are many types of vehicles. We are going to give you a description of the main parts that make up a motorcycle. First, we have the handlebar. In the handlebar, we have the brake handle and the clutch handle. We have the dashboard. That's where the instrumentation is at. The speedometer, the odometer, the tachometer, the one that gives you the RPMs. We have also the ignition switch. We have the telescopics, which are the front shock absorbers. We also have rear shock absorbers. We also have the rear view mirrors in the handlebar. Then we have the motor, the gearbox, the frame. Everything is mounted on the frame. Then there is a drive shaft. Sometimes motorcycles have drive shafts. Sometimes motorcycles are driven by a chain. Then we have the brakes, the front and the rear brakes. Sometimes we have disc brakes in the front and we have a pedal for the rear brake. Then we have the gas tank, the fenders, and under the fenders we have the front tire and the rear tire. We have the rims and we have the spokes. We have the footrest, where you put your feet and where the passenger puts his feet or her feet. The pedals, we have the brake pedal and we have the shift pedal, which changes the gears. We have the mufflers, that it's called the silencer. Then we have the lights. We have the headlight, which is the main light of the motorcycle. We have the rear light and we have the turn signal lights. Hoy vamos a ir a visitar a un buen amigo que es un restaurador de motocicletas clásicas de dos modelos o de dos marcas, las Harley Davidson y las Lambrettas, una motocicleta italiana que fue muy popular en los años 60. Hey Mike, how are you, guy?
How you doing, my man?
I'm doing excellent, guy. What's happening?
Just working here.
Just working here. Making a living?
Making a living.
Is the tropics treating you okay?
Fine, I'm fine.
Okay. Oh, the reason why I'm here is because I want you remember you told me about the acrylics. Are you going to give me the instructions on how to get there?
I'm gonna pass by and get a car for you.
Okay, that would be very nice.
It's in downtown, but the guy can do anything for you.
Hey, what happened to your Lambretta, the old one?
They're still around.
Still around? Can I see it?
Of course. Come on.
Okay, nos vamos a mostrar una Lambretta aquí adentro.
This is one of my best. This is one of my best bikes. Very
Ever.
fast and very expensive. I'll show it to you. That's pretty nice.
What year is it?
1971.
1971, Lambretta. Gosh, man, how much is it worth now?
25 millions, about
$8,000. $10,000
Yeah.
approximately.
About it.
Mira, it looks innocenti. Happiness on two wheels. Very good, huh?
Innocent is the company. Lambretta es la marca de la moto. Pero
The brand name of the motor.
Innocenti is the name of the factory.
Oh, okay. It's the last name, I imagine.
Lambretta,
It's the brand name.
they name it Lambretta because the factory is very close to the river called Lambro in Italy.
Oh, okay. A region called Lambro.
Lambro, the river.
Okay, yeah.
The
that's
river.
Oh, the river.
It's a river called Lambro. It's right next to it.
Very good. Let me show you what you do here in the
No
shop.
problem, come on. What I do is design new parts that were very expensive to bring it from the States.
Okay.
I'm making here.
Okay.
I put it on the bikes.
And you
I
restore.
restore the bikes.
Okay. And you work on the new ones.
I work on the new ones.
I make adjustments.
Adjustments, changing parts, custom parts.
Overhaul.
Overhaul, changing screws and making nicer.
Make it nicer.
Sí.
That's very good. And where's your workshop?
Right here. Come on. Workshop is just a simple, crazy shop like.
A simple, crazy shop like any other shop.
Exactly. I think mine's crazier.
Crazier.
Look at all these crazy things hanging all over the place. But I know where's everything.
Of course, you own the shop.
I know where's
You have to know where everything is at.
Exactly.
You got the tools very well organized.
Yes. The reason I didn't use nobody to help me because I spent a lot of money on tools and I'm afraid that they do damage on the tools
And they steal the tools. They steal the tools.
You know.
And the chroming, where do you do the chroming?
This is
What
all
is-
stainless steel China.
Oh, okay, all
This is not
stainless
chrome.
steel.
Stainless steel. I try to do everything in stainless steel is better because it's more nice and more resistant and I save the money from chrome.
Exactly. What year is this one here?
1963.
63. This is more expensive than the other one. Okay.
1963. It's getting
It belongs to somebody or is it yours? It's yours too.
mine.
Okay, very good. Well, Mike, it was very nice of you showing me your shop.
No problem.
I wish you the best. I know you don't need any luck because you are a very hardworking man. You know your business and you're very happy in Colombia with your family and your job, your passion, motorcycles.
Passion.
Hey, thanks a lot again, man.
No problem.
We'll be seeing you sometime in the
My
future.
house is to your house.
Okay, thank
Casa
you.
es tu casa.
Thank you very much. Bye bye. Bueno, después de haber visto este video, todo el mundo tiene algo que decir en cuanto a las motocicletas que han llegado a ser el método de transporte más popular en los últimos 25 años. Yo pienso que las motocicletas son un sistema de transporte muy práctico. Bueno, esto es todo por hoy. Nos vemos en el siguiente video. Vamos a hacer un análisis a los automóviles. Bye bye. We'll see you later.